What's going on, everybody? So today we're going to change out our windscreen or windshield on our 2009 Yamaha Nitro. Now on this particular model we're only going to need a Phillips head screwdriver. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 bolts. So we're going to go ahead and get these removed. So we're removing our high-rise windshield and we're going to put on our low-rise windshield, make it look a little bit more racy. It's not as cold out right now, so we can kind of allow some of the wind to hit against us. It's getting a little bit more mild in the spring. We'll get this changed out, get a little bit more airflow around. You don't want to go overly too tight with these. You just want to snug them up. If you go too tight, it's going to, what it is a little nut inside of a rubber. And if you go too tight, it's just going to destroy the rubber. So you just want to go snug and little. You can always stick your finger in behind and feel the collapsing of the rubber with the nut inside. You don't need them super tight where you can't turn them anymore. You just need them snugged up where the rubbers collapse some. The rubber will do the dampening of not allowing the nut to come undone. And it allows a little bit of a movement. There you go. If you like this video, hit that like button, hit subscribe. We'll see you guys all in the next one.